from fiction to reality. Writers sometimes come up with a fantastic gadget which is followed later by a real-life version. Match each imaginary gadget with the invention that followed it. 1. Story, Fahrenheit 451. Author, Ray Bradbury. Year, 1953. Invention, small, wearable devices used to listen to music and the radio. The invention. Was it the smartwatch, the credit card, the bionic limbs, the in-ear earphones? 2. Story, Dick Tracy, author, Chester Gould. Year, from 1946. Invention, gadgets worn on the wrists of police officers which can share information with each other. 3. Story, Looking Backward, author, Edward Bellamy. Year, 1888. Invention, cards punched with holes to record the value of customers' purchases in shops. 4. Story, Cyborg, author, Martin Caidin. Year, 1972. Invention, electronic body parts to replace a pilot's injured limbs after a crash. Imagine you're writing a story about an explorer investigating a mysterious underground world. Invent a device the explorer could use. A suit which features that let the explorer tunnel through rocks. Glasses that can see through solid rock. Headphones that can pick up quiet sounds in the dark. There's an app for that. An app is a computer program that runs on a phone or tablet. What app would you like to create? Invent it here. What is your app for? To play a game? To help with navigation? To display news stories? To answer questions? How will people use it? Type answers to quiz questions while a timer ticks down? Drag letters to finish a puzzle? Draw and save a route across a map using a finger? How will it look? Draw it on the tablet screen below. Apps need an eye-catching image known as an icon, so they're easy to find. News on the move? Puzzle player? Quick quizzes? Design your own icon here. Can you give your app a catchy name and write it here? Draw it out. Once you've come up with a design for an object, you can turn it into a technical drawing. This means laying it out clearly and to scale, making each part the right size compared to the rest. Here's an example of a technical drawing. Technical drawings are detailed and precise. Inventor's sketch. Front measurements, known as dimensions, are included. Side, back. Each drawing shows a different view. Straight grid lines help to make sure sizes stay the same between views. Here's a rough inventor's sketch of a new radio. The inventor has added dimensions. Dials, aerial, buttons, speaker. Finish off the front view of the inventor's radio using the sketch on the left and the grid lines to help. Pick a side and draw that too. Put buttons or dials in the right places. Now draw the back. Make sure the height and width are the same as the front. Draw the top here. The rough sketch doesn't show the back, so use your imagination to decide how it will look. The top should be the same width as the sides. Try turning one of your own inventions into a technical drawing here. It's best to start with an invention that has a fairly simple shape. Use the guidelines to help create the basic shape, then add the details. Drawings like this are known as blueprints, as they used to be done on blue paper. Today, most technical drawings are produced by computers. Put it together. Lots of inventions come from combining two ideas that already exist, such as hats with headphones in them, or refrigerators with ice makers built in. Pick any two items from the list below, or think of your own, and combine them to make something new. Crown, propeller, toothbrush, rope, shoe, glasses, light, kite, music player, pillow, telephone, spoon. For more ideas, try using the random invention generator on the next page. Invention Generator. Very few inventions are entirely new. Take the car. Wheels, engines, and horse-drawn carriages all existed separately before they were combined to create cars. Wheel plus engine plus carriage equals car. If you're in need of some inspiration, try making this invention generator. Flip through it to create different combinations of parts, then see what ideas these spark. Copy the templates on the next 2 pages or download them from the US Born Quick Links website. 1. Cut along the solid black lines. Put the base strip and the top strip to one side. 2. Stack the remaining pieces of paper into 3 piles, according to whether they have an orange, blue, or green end. 3. Staple or clip all the orange pieces onto the orange part of the base strip. Staple. 4. Repeat, stapling all the blue pieces onto the blue part of the base strip and all the green pieces onto the green part. 5. Finally, staple or clip the top strips on, like this. Now flip through and see what you can come up with. If you want to design your own generator, just turn it over and scribble a different power source, machine, or attachment on each section.